ADA Cardano getting ready for a massive VASIL hard fork, and right now it's attracting 4 times more funds than a week before. This is coming from CoinShares. What does this mean? Well, we're going to break it down in this video, and Cardano is one of my favorite altcoins. It is my third largest holding, right behind the big dogs, Bitcoin and Ethereum. So Cardano to me is years behind both of these projects, but still a top 10 crypto, getting ready for a massive upgrade in the VASIL hard fork. And in my opinion, has a massive opportunity to be one of the hottest altcoins in the next bull run. At least that's just my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. I don't have a crystal ball, but I'm putting my money where my mouth is when it comes to Cardano. And I want to jump in here and talk a little bit more about this and what it means for ADA and why we're seeing so much attraction from new investors into Cardano here. And I think a lot of institutional money will come into Cardano. It already is, but I think even more will come in very, very soon. So make sure you smash this like button here down below and check out all my links. I've got a Patreon page if you want to come and join us in our private community. We talk a lot about the Cardano ecosystem as a whole. We talk about all things cryptocurrency. We've got a channel for you for sure, talking about things that run on the Ethereum blockchain, Cardano blockchain. We've got you covered. Tech support as well, talking about some of our plays, some of our early access plays as well. All of that, it's down below in that link to the Patreon. So, all right, let's jump in. According to the latest weekly fund flows report from CoinShares, Cardano's inflows have quadrupled, 4x in the last week. In addition to being one of the few cryptos with a positive funds flow balance, Cardano's inflows increased significantly in the run-up to the VASIL hard fork. Now, this is Cardano's third successful week in a row. The other assets which are keeping pace with Cardano are also some big names, XRP and Solana. Both of them have lower inflows than Input Outputs project, though. Cardano's the top dog here in the last 4 weeks. Now, if in the week that ended on September 5th, the amount of net inflows of funds into Cardano was 100,000. The past 7 days, the figure increased up to 400,000. The same month-to-month and year-to-year performance of Cardano is also positive and amounts to 400,000 and 14.1 million respectively. Now, Cardano is seeing a lot of exposure right now. The 22nd of September is supposed to be the date that the VASIL hard fork goes live. If we take a look at the overall cryptocurrency market right now, we could see that we're relatively flat in crypto, but with Cardano still up 2% on the week, we're sitting right at 50 cents, and we have been on a decent upswing here in the last 7 days. A little bit of a sell-off today, up here from about 52 cents all the way back down to 49 cents. But overall, in the last month, we have been trending slowly but surely back up. We have been as high as about 60 cents in the last 3 months. We'll see if we can get back up there as we storm a little bit closer to the VASIL hard fork. The thing that'll be interesting to watch here is how well the Ethereum merge attracts investors. If that goes well, maybe people are then even more keen on looking at the VASIL hard fork, and that'll be about a week later. I'm very, very bullish long-term on Cardano, though, and this is a really, really good sign to see as Cardano's attracting 4 times more funds than a week before, coming from CoinShares. Thank you so much for popping in. ADA Cardano holders, let me know your thoughts about all this down below. What do you think the reason area is? Is it just because a little bit of FOMO? Is it because the VASIL's close? Are more people kind of slowly but surely coming around to the idea that Cardano could be a big project in the future? Maybe a combination of all 3 of these things, right? So that's what I've got for you here in this video. Thank you so much for popping in. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.